Okay, guys, special announcement. Do you see the excitement in my eyes? Can you see it? Okay, I am tuning back in because I received, and I'm looking down because I'm reading from my phone. I received a message from the Impact Mailing Club at 9:12 a.m. Yes, first thing this morning, and I was extremely excited about the information that they shared with me today. Please stay tuned to the end because I'm going to give you all of the information that's needed for you to make a decision on upgrading to the highest level. We now have the double diamond, which is considered a high ticket. It's going to allow people to bring in $2,000 payouts from each person that joins Impact Mailing Club. Not only that, you're going to be able to get all of the levels below it. Okay, so not just the double diamond, but the diamond level, the sapphire, the ruby, and the emerald level. You're going to get payouts on all of those levels. So what I'm going to do is take the time to read this information. And for those who are interested in taking their business to the next level, interested in really being committed to the process and getting this information out, whether it's through mail, social media, however you decide to market this opportunity, this is definitely a game changer because you're going to have more than enough leads to mail out to people. But not only that, it's going to allow you to earn a significant amount of money in a short period of time. So a lot of people come to me and they're like, Amanda, I really just need to earn an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month. If you had just one person come in for the month, that automatically puts you at $2,000 if they come in at the highest level. We didn't have that option before because it stopped at the diamond, but now we have the double diamond, and I'm excited that it's here. And not only that, we're gonna go over what it comes with. So for those who join at that level, you're going to get access to training that's going to speed up your results because it's going to show you how to leverage the opportunity using other traffic strategies other than just mailing. You're going to learn how to get ongoing traffic online, okay, step-by-step training. And not only that, for those who come in at the double diamond, is also going to get free access to my membership site. So once you send in your payment and they send over your order form, you're going to send me an email, and that's going to give you access to all of the information that I supply to everyone that's on my team that becomes a part of my direct mail solution, which is just really training and customized products for your business. So guys, this is really a game changer. I've been waiting for the double diamond to come out. I'm happy that it's here. I'm sorry if I'm talking loud. I'm just excited. But this is something that's really going to change the game. If you are not yet within Impact Mailing Club, you're thinking about taking, looking at this business opportunity or taking advantage of this promotion, I'm going to read off what it's going to include. So at the double diamond level, which is normally $4,000, okay? This is normally what it's going to cost, but for the promotion, it's not going to be $4,000. You're going to be able to get $2,000 payouts for every person that joins. On the second level is $1,000 and $1,000 to admin. So right now for the double diamond, it's only going to cost you $2,000. So half off for the promotion, and it's going to run from January 9th up until January 17th. And you're going to get paid, be able to get paid on all of the levels for just coming in and paying one time your $2,000 fee. You're going to get 2,000 electronic leads. So you're going to have your leads that you're going to, of course, send out over time. We're not going to just send 2,000 out at once. And we go over this in a training, but you're going to be able to get 2,000 electronic leads, and you're going to be able to get training in your back office. It's going to be a Google Docs. You're going to get the information to access it, and you're going to also get free reign on my training course that is absolutely phenomenal. It's going to speed up your results and give you everything step by step. Plus, we're going to have ongoing webinars, okay? So you can come into those, pop into those webinars. You'll have the link to get in and get your questions answered. But not only that, get to learn exactly how to leverage this opportunity and make the most out of it. Guys, this is a 6-figure business. There's some people that's even doing 7 figures. It's really easy to do. And if you get plugged in and you strategically plan out how you're going to tackle this opportunity, you can be very successful. So I just wanted to let everybody know that we have the Double Diamond now available. If you click on the description box below, there will be a link that will lead you right to the form to get more information and get started. If you need to reach out to me, that information is also included in the description area. And I'm just excited about this because now people have an opportunity to get paid at the high ticket level and be able to get those ongoing $2,000 payouts. When they come in, it's always a good feeling when you get those $1,000 commissions that you can make with Impact Mailing Club. It's always great to get those. A lot of people can pay a ton of bills or even go on vacation with extra $1,000 to $2,000. So this new level announcement, again, guys, it's going on from January 9th through January 17th. So get plugged in. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm free to help anyone that needs help or have questions about how to get started. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Please stay connected, stay inspired. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I'm going to keep bringing you videos about work from home opportunities that can help financially free you or bring in additional income. So thanks so much for viewing this video and have a great day.